Hello everyone. Our today's topic is resistance welding. So resistance welding is a pressure welding technique which uses high current and low voltage. Okay. In this welding, the current passing through these two overlapping workpiece causes local heating and temperature of the metallic pieces raises to the fusion point due to resistance offered by the workpiece to the flow of current. Subsequent application of this pressure results in permanent joining of the workpiece by the formation of weld without the use of filler material. Okay. Workpiece which are placed between two rods or wheel which serve as a conductor for producing the weld. AC electric current is supplied through the copper electrode or rollers which are connected to the secondary coil of the welding transformer, and it is used for the welding of the thin sheets which are similar to the metallic materials. Okay. Now this is the equation for the resistance welding. So in this process both the heat and pressure both are applied. Okay, and heating by resistance is calculated with the help of this equation. H is equal to capital I square R into T. Okay, and the voltage is approximately 0.5 to 10 volt at the 15,000 ampere, and in this equation H is equal to I square into RT. H is equal to amount of heat generated at the contacting area of the elements. I is for current which is in ampere, R is the resistance of the CKT at contacting area, and T is the time for which electric current passed through the joint. Okay. Now in this method we can weld in the range of 3 mm to 12 mm. So this is the actual machine on which we will perform the spot welding operation. Okay, so let's go to the workshop and do some practical. So right now we are in our workshop and today we are going to perform a practical related to spot welding. This is spot welding machine, and this workshop instructor Mr. Vipul Sahani who will help us to perform this practical. So let's start. So this is the spot welding machine. This spot welding machine is used for making lap weld for the sheet up to 13 mm thickness, and in this spot welding there are two transformers having primary and secondary winding. Okay, this machine consists of two arms. One is the movable arm and second is the fixed arm. Both these arms are connected by the secondary coil of the transformer. In this process what we are doing, we take two sheets. One sheet is S1 and second sheet is S2. So here you can see these are two sheets, S1 and S2, and we are joining this two sheet with the help of this spot welding. Okay. So here you can see when we are pressing the pedal, the two spots are joined together. After that we supply a high ampere and low voltage supply between these two sheets. The pressure is also exerted by the fixed and movable arm, and as a result of this the temperature of the surface is brought up to the melting point and it is joined due to the external pressure. Okay, and this principle is fixed in a spot welding machine in which pressure is applied by the lever fixed in lower portion of the machine that is operated with the help of foot. Okay, so you can see finally this welding is done. So by this way we can perform this spot welding, perform operation on this spot welding machine. Thank you for watching this video.